company called Launch. Theirs is called, if you want to call it CReader Elite. Now this is T for, it is specifically has more software for Toyota Lexus products. They reached out to me because obviously they see some of my YouTube videos saying, hey, you work on Toyota Lexus vehicles, so we wanted to send this to you and let you test it out. I just got this recently. It comes via Amazon. I believe it was it might have been on sale for $140, usually in the $150 price range. I'll put a link below. I'll put a link to all these in the below in the description. You can find these all on Amazon. Very easy to get a hold of. So they do make these. Same thing where this one's specifically more tailored for Toyota and Lexus. You can still use this on all vehicles. Just the software will be kind of basic for most other vehicles. I mean, somewhere in the idea of just something like this. But I am excited to give this a try. We'll just do a quick unboxing here, see what comes with it, and then I'll make another video of me testing out on my vehicles. All right, it's packaged pretty easily. Looks like it comes with, is there something else in there? Okay, I see. I'll just scoot those over. Maybe a quick reference guide here of your basic controls. So something that I already like about this is that it's going to plug directly into your car. It's not going to require any AA or AAA batteries. Another thing I can already tell that it has here, free lifetime upgrades. So right now it's currently 2024. Say 2 or 3 years from now, the 26, 27 model Toyotas come out. Instead of having to go out and buy a brand new code reader or scan tool here, it has free upgrades. So this looks like your data cable. So you'd be just plugging this in. Probably, I don't know, do the upgrade. Oh, I'm sorry. They say it's actually Bluetooth and can connect to your Wi-Fi. So I would think the upgrades will hopefully be done via Wi-Fi. Same thing. It's going to plug just directly right into your car's USB data port. So far from what I've read from this, it's going to do crazy complex testing. I'll be able to do tests such as turn sensors off and on, see if they work. Read temperatures, say your coolant temperature sensor, maybe you have a coolant light saying the car's staying cold or something. It'll read actual temperatures. It'll do bilateral tests, so it maybe control a power window or a sliding door on a van or just multiple things. It does the TPMS sensors. So far I've read that it actually will program new remote key fobs or the remote controls for your car. I haven't obviously tried it yet because I was just now unboxing it. But it comes with a pretty decent manual here. Manual looks like it's about 37 pages long. Obviously has a warranty with the product. Also, it has a really nice automatic VIN detection. So obviously your vehicle 1996 or newer, you'll plug it in and it'll detect, say maybe it's a 2008 Toyota Tundra. And you'll just confirm by saying, yes, it's a Toyota Tundra. You know, it might ask a basic question like, does it have a smart key or something to that extent? But I'm excited to give this a try. I'm so glad that Launch was willing to send me a free sample to try this out and either tell you the good or the bads about it. But please stay tuned to my channel, and I'll be doing a specific test. I'll show these in my vehicle hooked up. We'll check some codes, and we'll go from there. I'll even throw up I'll do a small quick video about the Blue Driver. I'll even do a small quick video about the FixD Bluetooth tool as well. But specifically, this one's going to be the best. Like I said, they also make it for Honda, I think Mercedes-Benz, BMW. I think they make one for Nissan as well. Pretty much all your major manufacturers, they make specific ones. It's just going to have the best software for those brands of vehicles. So Like I said, stay tuned, and we'll be doing a in-car test, and I'll show you how it works in real time. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I appreciate it.